Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get exclusive car rental deals using the Hopper app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Hopper app. Then if you scroll down, you will find the the find the best deals on wheels option, rent a car, and if you tap on it, it's going to open up the car rental option, and here you can type in a city, let's say Paris, and you can add the date when you would like to rent a car, let's say these two dates. Then you can type in the age of the driver, which is important because of the insurance policies. Let's say 30. Then search and finding the best deals on wheels. It's going to load, and then you will get your options. And also, as you can see with Hopper, you will earn 2% back on selected rental car bookings. Your newly earned Carrot Cash will be applicable to your next travel purchases. Okay, got it. And when you see these Carrot Cash options, you can get money back, which is a very nice feature. So from here, you can find these categories. As you can see, these are not actual cars. These are the categories that you can go for: supplier's car, economic car, SUV, or anything really. It's and when you choose, just tap on it, and it is going to open up this information page with the price drops. Awesome, got it. And here are all your informations, and you can reserve the car for this price, and obviously to earn 2% back. So it's very easy and very helpful. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.